Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Subaru Outback, and I want to show you how to replace all the bulbs inside your headlamp assembly. It's going to be a very easy job, and I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so to show you how to do this, I'm going to do it with the assembly out. It's going to be much easier with the camera and everything to show you where everything is with the assembly out. You don't need to pull the assembly out to do these bulbs. It's just the way I have it so I can show you on camera. So off we go. So right now we have a clear view of the back side of our headlamp assemblies. It's a little harder to see inside the vehicle, so we have it out. Right here is where your low beam is. This is the part that generally speaking will burn out on you. So this is a cover. You just turn it to the left counterclockwise. When you hear a click, pull that off. If you see any moisture in there, it's probably because this gasket's no good. This looks nice. Right here, there's a little metal clip. And there's another one right there. All you do is you take those, push them in a little bit, squeeze them, pull them out. This right here is your wiring harness, okay? You can take that off the bulb first or last, whatever you want to do. Let's see if we can grip onto it. See if I can pull it off of here real quick. That's what it looks like. You always want to check it. Make sure you don't see any funny colors, no greens, blues, water, rust, nothing. That looks clean. We'll set it aside. Here's those clips. I'm just going to take them. I'm going to go one at a time. Push it in, bring it over. Push in, over, out. Now you can take this metal clip, pull it aside. There's our bulb. And your low beam is an H7 bulb. Now let's say it's time to reinstall it. Okay, it's inside the vehicle. You're trying to do your thing. It's kind of hard. You get it in, okay? Your bulb has this little nub on it. That faces up. I'm just gonna go like this. I said it faces up because I had the lens kind of tilted. It actually kind of sits a little bit cockeyed. You can see that there's a little groove for it right there. So you just sit that so it's sitting in the groove. Sorry about saying it faces up. You take these. You can go one at a time or both at the same time. It's your prerogative. Just bring it over, push it in, clip it in. Both these are latched. You can give it a little wiggle. It's nice and tight. We'll grab our wiring, connect it back in. There it is. Make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a little tug. Feels great. We've got our cover. Turn it to the right. There it is. Locked in. Right here is your high beam. To take that out, you just grab it, give it a little twist. There's little slots. The bulb itself has little nubs. Those line up with those slots. Okay? You can inspect it. There's a filament in there. If it looks like it's broken or it's got a whole bunch of crusties on it, you'd want to replace it. To replace it, you just take it out like I just showed you. This right here is a little clip. I just take my thumb, lift it up a little bit, give the bulb a little tug. Out it goes. So now it's time to reinstall our bulb. I just want to let you know that this is a 9005 bulb for the high beam. Clip that in. There we are. Give her a nice little tug. High beam is good to go. So right here, got a little driving light. Pull this out. Turn it to the left, obviously. There's our bulb. And all you do is grab it. It's just glass, so you want to be careful. You can crush it, cut your hands. This bulb right here is a 194 bulb. If you want to replace it, you just get a 194. You take it, check to make sure there's no funny colors in there. Press it in just like that. Take this. You should feel it want to click in once it gets to its point here. See if I can get it lined up. There we are. Turn that. Feels like it gets stiff. Good to go. So right over here is where your directional bulb's located. You're going to take this harness, you're going to turn it to the left. There's your directional bulb. Make sure you have clean hands, unless you're replacing the bulb. Pull that out of here. All you do is you take it off. There's your bulb number for you. Now to reinstall it, you check your harness, obviously. No funny colors. You're going to put it back inside your headlamp assembly. And there you go. So right over here, you have yourself a marker light. All you're gonna do, grab this, give it a twist. This bulb right here, it's glass, so you wanna be careful. It's really small, hard to hold on to. You wanna try to grasp onto it, pull it out. This bulb right here is a 194 bulb. Take a peek in here. Make sure you don't have any funny colors. Looks good. Take your bulb, put it back in there like that. Line up your teeth with your prongs there. Come on, baby. There we are. Good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.